Hello and welcome to this third video in the navigation and map reading series. My name's Chris Terrell, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your compass to align or set your map more accurately than just doing it by eye. Now, if you remember back in the first video, we looked at the advantages of lining up or setting the map to the situation that you're in, and how that makes it easier for you to identify features, because if your map is lined up with the world, then you can look up from the map and in the same direction you should see the feature that you're looking for. And that's also less work for your brain to have to do in a situation where you may have other things distracting you. You can try using this technique that I'm going to show you in the practice activity in the next video, video number 4, when I'm going to show you how to set the compass up to guide you in a specific direction or bearing. So get your map and your compass and line up the edge of the compass base plate with the direction of travel arrow pointing towards the top of the map, which should be north. The next thing you're going to do is you're looking at the magnetic needle here in the middle of the compass, and you're going to turn the map and the compass around together, so make sure that they're fairly horizontal so that the needle can turn freely, and you're aiming to get the needle lined up with the top of the map. In this case, the dial or bezel is already lined up with the top of the map as well, so that the needle lines up with the red arrow on the bottom of the bezel and the direction of travel arrow. And you've now set your map up in line with magnetic north.